Good afternoon, guys. This is Josh with the car wash channel of Northern PA and Ohio. Today we are visiting the new Wetco Pro site in North Versailles. This is a brand new site. It's been open for about a month now. Gonna start off with our pre-soak and 2 McNeil top brushes and our wheel cleaning. Sorry for the lack of videos lately. I've been busy helping open new sites. This was one of the new sites I helped open, and staying busy at my location. So it's been a hectic few weeks, actually a hectic few months. But I'm back at filming. Now we're gonna get our triple foam and our quick fires. Now we're getting our hot wax and our ceramic sealant. And now our tire shine and our spot-free rinse and our flash dryer. Tire shine, and then our dryers. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It helps the algorithm. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. And as always, thank you for watching.